My name is Eloi Schmauer. I'm a PhD student. I work in Mendel's lab, but I'm also co-supervised by Minna Kaikkonen-Mälä and Suvilina Kuosmanen at UEF in Finland. And I work in transcriptomic dissection of human health and diseases. I've been working on a rare disease called pityriasis rubra pilaris. This is a dermatology disease that basically looks like a rash that doesn't go away and that is extremely annoying for patients. But as a rare disease, it is very interesting to study. And they're an interesting area of research because usually there's not a lot of treatment, or some doctors don't really know what to do when patients have them. And sometimes they have a strong genetic background, so it's actually it's actually sometimes easier to understand them molecularly in terms of what's going on in the cells behind. So for this one, there's actually no FDA-approved treatment. There's no clear course of treatments. There's some potential treatment for the symptoms, such as cortisone and things like that, but we don't have a clear treatment for that pathology. So I was working in collaboration with Antonio Scolios in the University of Zurich, and he's also affiliated with Harvard. And we have profiled patients of that diseases, so taking skin samples. Since it's skin samples, it's very easy and possible to take a small biopsy and then study the skin. So for that, we similarly did some sequencing analysis at the RNA level, and we identified a pathway called IL-1 beta and the IL-1 pathway that was clearly activated in that in this disease. And there's actually a drug for that targets that pathway, that targets that molecule that exists. And on the clinical side, they have tested that drug then on the patients, and it was successful. Then we were able to confirm that the disease was deactivated after treatment, again transcriptionally with some skin samples, and it was also successful. And so it was very satisfying for me to work on that and see an actual, from the samples to the biology to the patients, and to see a success story basically on that end. That was very satisfying. After my PhD, I will go back to medical school and finish medical school, and then I will do residency. And during my residency, I hope to also continue research and continue my collaborations. And ultimately, I don't know exactly in what form, but I want to be able to do both clinical work and research work, and be able to both see patients and work in research. And I'm very happy that I've been able to work in these projects that have shown me that is indeed possible.